Good evening. This is President Donald J. Trump. And I want to purchase Malta.
Jasra, Malta, not for sale.
Gozo?
Laqqas, no.
Did you see what I did for Valentine's Day?
Liex, għamilt?
Tfajtilhom di. Roses are red, violets are blue. If you come here illegally, then we'll deport you.
Tajjeb, you really like the immigrants.
Yes, with ketchup and...
Tajċaffar, no. Eja, no racist jokes on this program.
Let's make America great again.
Oh, jasra.
Donald J. Trump.
Dawa
I have a
discourse.
poem for you, Maltese.
A poem, poesia. All right, tell me, eja.
Labor are red,
Iwa,
PNA are blue.
sissa tajba,
If you don't like it, then you.
Ewa, Mr. President, please, language. Tawlu.